What's up, guys? It's your boy Richie Hustles back with another video. Today we are going inside of Target to see if we can score any clearance deals or any deals at all. I've been kind of, you've seen my past videos where I talk about a lot of things going on in my life, a lot of good things, a lot of strategic things, and we want to keep the flow going, right? The hustle doesn't stop. So let's hit into Target and see what we can find. Let's go.
You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, so delusional. In the notion of all this emotional. Best be sure, I'm begging you, looking for something.
So one of the first things we have to do is we need to pull up Target app. We're gonna pull up the Target app because we need to see if we can get anything cheaper than what it's marked for. And the only way to do that is to scan it first with this and then with Amazon. So let's see what we can find.
You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, so delusional. In the notion of all this emotional. Best be sure, I'll be there when you're looking for something
So we're in the clearance aisle and you can see it's really picked over. Tell you the truth, I mean, I was coming in here to pick up some stuff. I wasn't coming in here to do some shopping, but like, it's pretty much done.
I turned off the lights, I got off the wires. When I close my eyes, disconnected and tired.
Okay, not a bad. It's $10, so we're not gonna make anything. So literally found these two, but I want to go see if there's any more of these in the game section because there's no clearance sticker, and I can double my money off of the regular price. So we're gonna take a quick look in games and scan this to see if it's actually the price like online. So this we should make $22, but I think it should be $11.99. See, online it's $11.99, so we can price match that. So we're gonna get it for $11.99. So we'll take it. One of the most important things you can do when you're shopping in Target is to price match. Always scan with the app, because right there we're gonna save a couple bucks, and that couple of dollars means all the difference when your profit margins are as thin or as large as they are. every dollar counts. So let's go to the game section, see if we can find any more of those. Look, so we found one more. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean on Amazon. So you guys saw it was $13 and something, whatever it was. But when we scan with the app, it's $11.99. And if we go over to our history, see the difference is $2, but it goes from making $8 to making $6. So always price match. Look at that rank.
Yeah, but you can accumulate it.
So if we could find some more, that would be great. It doesn't look like they have any more. That's a cool little find though. I love when I find full price items that you can make decent money with. Is there any more over here? Let's see.
Standing in a glass bowl at the end of a black hole, cold, lost and upside down.
So the one thing I didn't do is I didn't check the Keepa graph. So let's take it one step further and check Keepa before we pull the trigger to make sure it's selling at that price. So let's do it. Scoutify 2 app. Gonna scan it. Looks promising because the target cost is going to be 14. Let's see if we go to Keepa. Come on. Look at that. That's an awesome. I mean, Amazon jumps on it a little bit. You can see the orange, but it tells 132 a month. We like this, so we're definitely gonna pick it up. Tell you the truth, I might even go to another Target and see if they have more of those, because those are big money.
This is not forever. Folks changing like the weather. Cold, weird, and all around. Toxic people being severed, like leaves falling in September.
All right, guys. So you guys saw me pick up those 2 games headbands. Those were $11.99. We price matched it because it was $13.89 in store. We used the Target app to price match it down to $11.99. And we are going to take in about $20 and some change, minus the cost. It's gonna leave us about $8 profit. If I didn't price match, we'd have about $6 in profit. So when you're buying multiples, that difference can really add up. Make sure you're using the Walmart app in Walmart and the Target app in Target. Always, 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 always. Even if you're just shopping for personal use, use the apps. Why are you gonna pay more for something? I personally feel stupid. Like when I go into TJ Maxx and Home Goods, and they have 2 items. One's on clearance for $3, and the other one's $14.99. Same exact item, but they say because it came in later or earlier or whatever, it's a different price. Stupid. It's complete ridiculousness. But it is what it is, and that's what we got. So crappy haul, meh. At least we made out some profit, but Target was cleaned out, man. I was actually surprised. I thought there would have been something left. Like Walmart's been having some pretty good clearance. Target, man, cleared out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys on the next hustle.